Anheuser, security, motion detection, solar powered, LED light. It's got three things: and adjustable to any angle, with the motion PIR sensor that can be turned on and off and adjusted for sensitivity. Could be mounted on a corner and a flat surface. We're only going to be mounting it up there. I have the holes already drilled for the unit. Grab yourself a hammer drill if you're on wood, lag bolts or screws that are supplied. The corner bracket, the hardware, and the flat bracket. You're going to snap this into place. Make sure it sits there on solid. If you're putting it on a corner of a building, you have 4 areas of interest to drill. On the flat one, just 2, here and here. Climb up your ladder, drill your holes. You may need a hammer. Put in your anchors, place in your screws. Align up and lock down. This is a solar panel. They can go this way, this way. It doesn't matter which way you go. You have plenty of cable. If the cable's too short, maybe there's an option to purchase an extension. It takes a DIN plug. You're going to look for the spot on the bottom over here. Plug it in. This is now IP rated. Everything's closed. If the batteries ever need to be changed, this is where you change it out. And we're going to go hang this up on the wall. And this goes high up. As you can see, I'm reflecting the sun towards you. I want this to be in the sun all day long so it could charge the powered unit. As I look at the unit, there's no LED indicator of it charging. Safely go up the ladder. Slide in the unit. Lock into place and adjust. Place this high above. We place our panel up on the roof in the sun. The shield will turn the unit on. Depending on where you stand, the light comes on. You have 4 modes. Mode 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we put it to the first mode, we could shut it off and wait for the evening hours. So we're going to put it to the very first mode, showing run and the sun. We'll come back in the evening hours, as this is running during the daytime, showing you that it's working. This side over here has a test mode and a timer. So we're going to turn it off of the timer, and this has a low to medium to high of the test mode. So right now it's not going to come on, and we're going to adjust it and put it on to the slowest amount of time. And there we are, all set up, ready for the evening hours. So we'll give this a shot and see what it looks like. All the information can be found in the manual and online, and these are the features and functions of the remote control. Remember, that is IP rated. This may not be, so don't get this wet and don't worry about that. And there is how to change the battery, the 18650, if you ever need to. We have the solar security battery operated light on, and we're not going to be moving. It's on the very first mode. It shuts off after a good 30 seconds to a minute, and when it detects motion, it turns on and is very bright indeed. So what we're going to do now is go to mode number 2. We're going to step up close to it. Mode number 2 goes off.
It detects motion at 50% brightness, and when we don't move, it should go off. We're going to move, mode number 2, and we're going to switch to mode number 3. And mode number 3, it's even at a lower interval, about 30%. And when it detects motion, it brightens up to the 50% from 30%. And again, without any motion after 30 seconds or more, it'll dim down. It dims down to 30%, and when it detects motion, it lights up to 50%. And then the last one is at the 30% or so, dusk to dawn. So no matter what you do and move and not move, it'll stay like this, dusk to dawn. And if you don't want any of the lighting and you want to shut it off, you just hit the off button and off it goes. Turn it on, hit the shield button, and it goes back to the mode 1 and shuts down. And then when you motion, it gives a security flash. That is pretty neat that you have 5 different modes there. Hey, there's something happening here. So let's get this on to the original one. So 5 different types of modes that this solar security battery operated light performs. I hope you enjoy your solar security light no matter where you put it, your front yard, your backyard, by the shed, anywhere where it collects the sun all day long and stores the battery into the 18650 it has and gives you all that lighting 365 degrees on the evening to morning hours. Enjoy your light if this is right for you.